Hi everyone. Today is my video about why my weight is not getting down. What was the reason behind it? So when I was finding out why my weight is get stuck, so I have to look for research for a lot of things, either with my doctor, with my uh, pharmacist. So my first reason was is a hormonal imbalance. That was my main reason. I always have to be work out which hormone is been imbalanced, so I can figure out so how do I start my journey, my weight loss journey. The second is so check with your doctor if your hormonal balance or your leptin, your insulins, your hunger hormone and your estrogen level is the main reason. If it's any irregular periods problem, and if it's any other hormonal problem, so that's the main reason is if you know losing your weight. The other second is nutrition gap. So basically nutrition gap as well taking a lot of big concern why we know losing a weight. Like if it's in any nutrition gap in my body, in our bodies, a woman's body, like vitamin D low, maybe they're taking stress a lot, their vitamin C level get down. So if it's any gap on their in their supplement, any gap of their nutrition like magnesium, B12, so they as well can that's why able to lose your weight. So that's why your weighing scale gets stuck with the one all the time. You keep doing hard work, keep eating well, keep doing exercise well, but your weight gets stuck on the scale. Okay, so other third reason is main reason, very big reason is a stress level as well. So when the woman's getting stress level high, so whatever the nutrition they're eating in, their level get down in a low, like vitamin C low, and they're trying to most of the things, the fat get stored around the tummy. If they more fat get stored around the tummy, they no able to, they try so hard, they everything is working fine. There's a few thing main problem is they no able to losing the fat around their tummy area. So that's definitely is a cortisol level is high in their body. So they have to be work on their stress level, either do meditation, either do yoga, either just don't think too much, either just to relax. So basically working on their more deep sleep, so the stress level get down and then their weight loss journey gets started. The other is thing is that is definitely in my case was for autoimmune diseases. So when you get autoimmune diseases, this is all started from your liver, a very toxic liver problem, fatty liver problem. You heard about it. Most of the primary because liver take more than 500 vital jobs in your body. So if that organ get affected due to a lot of your bad lifestyle or less nutrition food you are eating, and you just a different habit you are adapting is no working according to your body needs, and a lot of toxic in the a lot of chemical products you're using on your face, on your skin, in your house, in the cleaning, either the food supplement you are using full of chemicals. So these things all affect on the liver, and that after that then you get the secondary and other problem is started, and that as well autoimmune is the main disease as well. When your immunity start working against you got my point. When your immunity start working against you, they start attacking on your inside of your like you start getting a muscle aches and pain. They start attacking on your thyroid hormones, on your gland. So they start attacking on your your histamine, your body, your skin, your eczema, your psoriasis problem. So so they all your body get against on you. So this is what is autoimmune diseases. If you don't find out, you can find more, Google it about it. This is how the woman's complaining about joint aches, most of fatigues, most of thyroid problem. So this is basically old primary problem is autoimmune, the liver primary problem, then the other autoimmune thyroid, the other chapter start getting open. So that's why able to lose the weight. The other is too much crash diet as well. So when you're trying to do too much crash diet, in the beginning you lose a weight, and then you suddenly get a lot of weight gain. So when you get a lot of weight gain, then you start your journey again to lose the weight. But now that time is bit of hard, because whatever the crash dieting you've been done, you lose a lot of your nutrition in your body. And the main the woman body is depending on the hormones. If and hormones get balanced, you have to go for certain kind of healthy fats diets and low carb diet. That's the best thing is. But in our crash dieting, they always suggesting us, no, you have to stay away from fat. Most of the fat you're gonna get it from your these coconut oil, the butter, the ghee we're talking about, most of the sunflower seeds, pumpkin seed, the nuts, avocados, these all fish oils, the fish protein. So all of the good fat is you shouldn't have to be avoided. Basically you have to be put in your diet as well. And if you are these days, we can't say we getting a fresh food or fresh organic food from the farms, because everybody living in the cities. So find out the good supplement who can fill that gap of nutrition, so you don't have to be you getting a good supplement which is got no pesticide spray, no herbicide, no any other chemicals on your food supplements. At least you got one satisfaction about it. Yes, why we getting a nutrition gap. It's very, very important. The whole problem is started. Your body need a nutrition and you are giving in nutrition. So many people, we have to be, according to the health organization, World Health Organization, they said we have to go through 5 to 9 serving plates, which is we all go no time to eat it. So that's why my always is suggestion, food supplement is the first thing you have to be taken after the breakfast. Omega-3 essentials, body aches and pains after the exercise. These protein are essentials. These magnesium are essential. These days vitamin D, C, zinc for your immunity, that's essential as well. And if it's these supplement you're taking with the preservatives and chemicals to your body, pressurizing your liver, making more toxicity in your body, then of course able to lose the weight will get stuck on the weighing scale. So that's the major reason. Food is no problem, woman hormone is the main problem. We're not able to make your weight stuck on the weighing scale. Okay, I hope you understand my video, and thank you so much. We will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.